For the IELTS speaking test, it is a common tendency for many candidates to state answers with an increased pace. This is because they think that fluency is the measure of the pace at which you speak, which is not. It is the natural way in which you state an answer. If you state answers really fast or at an increased pace, this makes it difficult for the examiner to comprehend your answer. This results in unnecessary confusions in the mind of your examiner. This can definitely affect the band score for fluency and coherence. You should always state clear answers, taking short pauses between sentences, making it much clearer. Remember, natural humming is quite okay. You can take short pauses in between sentences. Remember, you should never hesitate to state a word. If you pause in between sentences to think of a word, this can definitely affect the band score for fluency and coherence. Remember, you can take a momentary pause in between sentences to think of a new idea. That will never affect the band score for fluency and coherence. Keep practicing. Join our classes for one-on-one sessions in the speaking module so that you can improve your speaking skills.